What's the meaning of airwaves? Airwaves. 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 Airwaves.
The term airwaves refers to the wireless transmission of information through the use of radio waves. It is used to describe the frequency range within which radio and television broadcasts are transmitted. These airwaves are regulated by government bodies in order to prevent interference between different broadcast sources. The use of airwaves has revolutionized communication, allowing people to transmit information across vast distances quickly and efficiently. Today, airwaves are used not only for broadcasting, but also for mobile phones, Wi-Fi, satellite communication, and many other applications.